Hi peeps, it's a beautiful sunny Sunday and I am heading to Cologne West to join my friend Anastasia. I met her 4 years ago when I was studying here in this part of Germany in Bochum. And we're going to a street food festival in this part of Cologne West that's called Ehrenfeld. And I brought myself my little mason jar with some fresh pressed orange juice. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to find some vegan food there, hopefully gluten-free and raw. If not, it still will be a delight. I will enjoy this and show some footage about this to you. So I quickly wanted to show you what my zero waste gear looks like. So because I'm going in the city and obviously it's a street food festival, so there's gonna be like a lot of different booths. I don't know how to pronounce this in plural. So a booth where they serve food, and there might have, some plastic cutlery and everything, plastic plates to take away food. So that's why I am bringing my bento box here. It's really, really super practical. I got this one because it can go in the microwave. It's recycled plastic and it's a French brand. It's a French brand and it's made in France. So I want to support my local economy. And then here is my cutlery. I've got some bamboo wood cutlery with a sharp knife, and then my cup. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. I just got out of this ice cream shop that is called the Ice Dealerin, and it's an ice cream shop. They've got many vegan flavors, and I got myself zero waste vegan ice cream. I got one scoop is coconut, another scoop is passion fruit mango, and the middle one is actually turmeric. Yes, and what I wanted to mention here is that actually when you go zero waste and when you ask for something without the packaging, well then you might eventually get more than you expected, because since you're bringing your own container, well, the salesperson, will feel a little bit bad, or I don't know, so they actually give you more than what you want, what you expect. So this is one good point, one advantage I would mention.